Today I got to know a new thing which made me excited to share with you what I got to know. So the topic is really interesting which I'm going to share with you in this video, and it will help you so much. It will help you to sound like an advanced speaker of English language. It will help you to replace your basic English with advanced English. So hello everyone, welcome back in this channel. This is Renu here. Without further delay, let's get into today's video. Basically, today I got to know about how to replace and with other connectors. Now you must have seen that there are so many English learners, English speakers, they always use and when it's time to connect two sentences. But here in this video, I'm going to share with you some other connectors which you guys can use and you can sound like an advanced speaker of English language. So the first connector I have, that is furthermore. Furthermore. Let me tell you example. I need to get my laptop repaired. Furthermore, I want to buy a tablet. Now here I replaced and, right? I could use I need to get my laptop repaired and I want to buy a tablet. Here I replaced and with furthermore. Okay, so the another connector I have is additionally. Additionally. Yes. Now you can take any example. Let me tell you, one of my examples is I have a good friend. Additionally, she is my sister. Now here also I used another connector in the place of and, right? So the next connector I have is moreover. Moreover. Yes, you guys can use this connector in the place of and. You can create your own examples. Let me tell you my own example. Priyanka is a kind girl. Moreover, she is a confident girl. Now here you can see I replaced and with the moreover, right? Priyanka is a kind girl. Moreover, she is a confident girl. Okay, let's talk about next one. So the next and last one I have is on the top of that. You can use in the place of and. This one is the final connector we have here, and let me tell you one thing, this is my one of favorites connector on the top of that. You guys can use it in the place of and. You can replace it with the and. You can create your own examples, or else you can do one thing, just drop it down in the comment box so that I can check it out. How did you create it? So you guys can create your own examples with these connector and please share with me in the comment section. Let me tell you my example, and that is I really want to visit whole India. On the top of that, I want to go out of my country. So these are some connectors, guys. I hope you liked the video and it will really make a change in your speaking skills. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video.